Good afternoon, LJ with the Adventure Stop, and today we're in the studio to check out the unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 3 by DJI. Are you ready to check this out? Let's go. Before we get started with today's video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. The DJI Osmo 3. Okay, so as far as mounting, I think DJI recommends that you actually mount the phone on here first. And again, unfortunately, if you have a case, it looks like you probably have to take the case off. Okay, and you want to get the DJI Mimo app. So this here is raw video of the DJI Osmo 3. It takes a little getting used to, but this is me running with it. Pretty smooth action, not bad. Of course, there's a lot of shortcuts to this that I have to get used to. There's a lot of different menu functions that you can get used to as well. But, hi fruit fly. But check out that video quality. Isn't that great? Oh, hi hummingbird. So hey, I'm LJ with today's unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. We're gonna have to check this out a little bit more after I read the instructions, and we're gonna get some cool videos out there. All right, thanks for joining me. We'll see you later. Bye everyone.